Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing good in this lockdown period. Your girl is here with a video to show you how I do my face, how I shave my face and make it look cute. My face ain't the smoothest of all, but a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. So today I'll be showing you how I do my facials. I pump on my face. You know, your girl hasn't shaved like in ages, like no, a month. But today I'll be showing you how I do it, and you know, just keep supporting your girl right there. And before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button. I'm seeing you on Plasma TV, okay? And turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Let's get right into this. Like okay guys, for my face normally I try not to use any harsh products or harsh stuffs, so I use almond mixed with olive oil shave my face. So I just transferred it into this small container. So what I normally do is I just apply it on my face, my entire face, like this. Yeah, just to prep, you know, prep your face. I don't want those wounds or hurting myself, so I just normally prep. I have to prep my face first. You should too. This just helps the blade slide on your skin without hurting you, okay? So it's always good to like apply a little bit of oil before you get to shave. I'll be using this facial wig to shave. So after applying this, as you can see, your girl has a lot of hair. Let me bring in tissue so you can see the amount of hair that's going to come out from this face. Like I'm ashamed of myself. Please don't laugh at me, okay? Your girl's busy, like I couldn't do this. Now let me just show you the difference, okay? Here you go, like this. Oh my Father in heaven. Oh my Father in heaven. Do you see that? Do you see? Look at your girl's face. Just look at your girl's face. Like, oh my, oh no, her. Oh. Do you see the difference? Here is lighter than this part. Do you see that? You need to shave your face, guys. No, this is horrible for a baby girl. Can you imagine? So we're just going to like shave the whole face. I don't want to touch my hair, so I normally just like slide it down like that. Oh my gosh, do you see? Woo, baby. Oh, I'm happy my boyfriend ain't watching this though, because he'll be like, all this hair on your face alone. Yeah, I've been so busy, like you see how the blade just slides through? It doesn't hurt, it doesn't cut because of the oil. Okay, we're getting there. There's no more hair in this part. Let's go to the next part. Just take it from here. So I'm just going to quickly shave the whole face, and then I'll be back talking to you. jeez, like, can you see the difference? Can you see a baby girl's face? And can you see her face? Oh my girl. You see that? All done. Ah, girl, you look good, don't I? You see the brows? So after the shaving, guys, let me tell you something. Don't use alcohol or alcohol tissues or maybe anything alcoholic right now. Just after shaving your face, don't use that. Be very careful. It just irritates my skin. Yes, I got it. It irritates my face, honestly, and I end up having like little bumps here and there, so it swells up. So after shaving, what I do is I exfoliate my skin first. Okay. Oh, the hair, sorry, excuse me, let me wipe it off. Let me wipe off everything so you can see. You see how that looks? So after shaving, I will recommend you exfoliate your skin. Shaving is done, it's time to exfoliate. Girl, oh my, it's everywhere. Okay, so I just normally use this banana skin exfoliating scrub. So just, you know, ooh, good. It's gonna pinch a little bit, so don't worry yourself. Ooh, girl. Yeah, like I said, it's gonna pinch a little bit, so it's not a problem. And you let it sit for like a minute or two. I will let it sit for 2 minutes, so it depends on you. Then you wash it off. I've rinsed my face, and do you see the glow? Like, tell me, do you see the glow? Do you really see the glow? Like, this is not a baby girl, a babe. Like, this method actually just works for my eyebrows. Do you see those brows right there? They work my eyebrows, they work my face. You know, my face feels really smooth. See? And it looks way brighter. Do you see the difference? So this method, for me, I prefer it to the laser method. I tried the laser once and it really irritated my skin and came back with a swollen face. So I decided to go manual. And after this, after, you know, exfoliating and rinse off, I normally just use rose water. So this is my rose water for my face, and you know, I just apply it on my face. This is really good for your pores. To keep everything moist, to keep your face really moisturized. I think I'm going to put in some more. Yep. Do you see that? This is a moisturized baby girl face, like, ta-da! Anyways, don't mind my silly jokes. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know if you try this at home. Okay, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up and drop your comment right down below. I'll see you on my next video. Bye girl, bye.